This valve had a leaky joint down here, and instead of like just replacing all the pipe and joints and everything, what the plumber is doing is first he sawed off the lower joint like here, and then he sawed a line through here, and he stuck a screwdriver in and pried it open, and here it is. So first he saws off the top part, leaving this ring. Then he saws through the ring. You can see where he put in the screwdriver, pried it apart, opened it up, slipped it off, and then what he's going to do is he's going to screw a new piece in here, lift this up out of the way, put on the glue, and then set it back down on there. So he's going to change out the end piece. He's cutting it off, and then we'll go on to the next phase, which I'll show you. Here he is, cutting through that piece. He's changing out another joint down here. The trick is not to saw into the pipe, just to saw off the collar. And there it is, ready to put on a new piece. This is the end of the job. Everything's been cleaned up, put away. Here's where we swapped out a 2-inch end cap for a 1-inch valve. And that was the one you saw him cutting on. And then here's the 2-inch valve where he replaced this piece down here, and all cleaned up, put back together.